R1M or a Super Duke or an MT10. Oh, that's a big one. Oh, we flooded, boys. Oh, it went under my cheeks. Oh, oh, oh no! Look at my poor bike. Puddle. Oh no! I don't want to go home. Oh, oh no! Oh. Gotta walk on the pavement. Oh, my front brake don't work either. My ass is wet. I'm gonna die. If you thought the previous video was bad, just watch this. Oh, just watch this one. I can't even put my visor down. Ah. Oh brother, this sucks. My visor, I got a tinted visor, so that means I can't put it down. My front brake don't work. My will to live is non-existent. I want to go home. And what's going on here? This is horrible. Ah. Oh, fight it. Oh, fight it. I'll knock your ass out, man. Man, get out me way, man. I'll knock you out, boy. Ah, maybe we should all go and pray. Let's just all go and pray. Let's just stop everything we're doing right now. Yes, that's a very, very smart idea. It's not that I'm in the. It's not that my brakes don't even work. You know, it's idiot. Absolute idiot. He's a speed demon. There's speed demons. I'm scared. My butt clenched. It's not. It's really. Oh, white lines. Oh, I felt it spin. I'm scared, man. White lines. White lines. Getting close. Oh my god. You guys probably won't even be able to see anything. But oh my god. You want to stop, bike? You want to turn them brakes on? Right, white paint. Oh, I felt that slightly, but I felt it. It's alright, it's alright. We're good, we live. Oh, big puddle. Never mind, he's got over it, just disappeared for me. Wah! Wah! So, since obviously this is the perfect time to ride a bike, what's your guys' opinions on the KTM Duke 790 2019 version? That's my favourite bike. I would love to get that bike. What's your opinions, man? Come on, slap me with them. Slap me silly. Oh, should we go bowling? What? Oh, goddamn. Ah, me legs. Ah. No, I want to go home. There's big puddles I can't see. I can't see. I hate the LEXMOTO lights. They don't exist. What's going on down there? Is there a car coming? Hopefully not. Alright, Toosey, calm down. You don't want to be speeding. You don't want to go, 50 miles per hour. Relax there. Puddle, go on, puddle. Whee! Well clean. Ah. So, how's your people day been doing? Ooh, I would like to very much thank every single one of you for 164 subscribers. What the hell is this about? Damn, guys, you really enjoyed this, don't you? That's crazy, 169. It's not, yeah, it's not that much. But I'm not gonna lie, I didn't even think I'd get like 20 or so, Didn't realise anyone would actually enjoy this. I'm scared. Anyone would actually enjoy this. Okay. We live. Rossi. Yeah, no, sorry. I didn't think anyone would actually enjoy this, so I'm really happy that you guys do, because I don't do this just to get subscribers and all. I love recording these videos. It's fun to, well, I don't want to say edit them because I don't do much editing, but it's fun rewatching them. I like watching myself. Yeah, I'm not. I'm humble. I just like watching myself. Oh, manhole. Where was I at? Ooh, that's a stop sign. But that's down there, so I'm not going down there. Ooh, puddle, puddle. Ooh, why is this floating? Right. Yes. Ooh, puddle. Again, it's really fun watching myself. So I thoroughly enjoy this, and I will not stop. Simple as that. You will see my whole journey starting from the LEXMOTO lxr 125 to I don't know. I don't really know if I want a liter bike. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I'm not too sure about that. I mean, yeah, I would love something like an R1M or a Super Duke or an MT10. Oh, that's a big one. Oh, we flooded, boys. Oh, it went under my cheeks. Oh no. Ah, I'm glad I stood up there though. But yeah, I might go up to a bigger bike, but I don't know, at the moment I got my eyes set on a Duke 790. I've got my eyes set on that, and that is what I really want. So don't be surprised if, in the near future you see me doing videos on my, hopefully my Duke 790. I feel fancy. Oh no, red lights. My brake don't work. I'm dead. This is the road where I almost, where's the stop sign? I can't see. Good luck, buddy. This is down there is where I almost fell. Yeah, yesterday. I didn't like it. That was scary. I'm still scared because there's a pond. Don't stall. We don't need to be stalling here. Oh, should we just have a sit on that bench and just die? Yeah? Yeah, no. How about that? How about that, you little hobbit? Huh? What the, yeah, that's right. You damn hobbit. But ooh, manhole. Yes. Oui, très bien. Oh, what a. Yes. As I said in the last video, I want to do my A2, and I want to do it soon. I want my license. I want a big bike. I want to have the big bike, the biggest. I want to be the biggest bike. I want to be the biggest. I want to. I want to have a big bike. I'm scared of my insurance. I'm scared of. Do you know what, people? I'm scared. I'm scared of being the fastest biker in the whole existence. No, you're still like that. Oh wait, I have to turn it. It's a diversion. Oh, this is scary. This is scary. This is scary. This is scary. I am spaghetti. Oh, sad news. Any of you watched Friends? Oh no, that's a massive puddle. Oh, that's a massive puddle. What a morning! I went on my ass again. At least my bike's gonna be clean. But yeah, any of you watch Friends? Extremely sad news. Matthew Perry did it. He has corked out. He clocked out early, very early. I love that man. I wish he was still alive. I love watching Friends, and he's one of the best characters in there. So it's a shame. I'm really sad about that. I was sad when I got the news in the morning. I can't imagine how they feel. Rest in peace. A minute's silence for him. Oh, I shouldn't have done that. I shouldn't have done that. I don't have ABS. No ABS, and this no bueno. Yes, but unfortunately, may he rest in peace. I will still be watching Friends because I love that show. Let me know in the comments if you've watched Friends yourself and how you're feeling about this situation. What's your opinions? And not the only reason I am recording this, you might not be able to see it. It's in 30 FPS, which I do apologize about that, but apparently that records better at night. Whee! But yeah, apparently it records better at low light. And whee! Yippee! And I'm sorry if the camera's all blurry. I'm sorry if the video's just not great overall, but just wanted to talk about everything going on basically. My life's going decent. It's going pretty well. Don't have no complaints. Hopefully doing my test soon. Hopefully getting a bike soon. Hopefully doing other things that I can't specify. But yeah, it's going well. It's going well. I hope you guys are doing alright as well. And then again, thank you all of you for subscribing and liking it. It feels awesome. It's actually awesome that people watch me just do this. Just ride the bike to work and back, and even some other places. Not many, but I will when I have a bigger bike, I promise. But it just feels awesome, so I do appreciate that. Imagine how awesome it'd be if I got like thousands of subscribers, thousands of people watching my videos, and then we just made like a massive very dangerous, you spastic, massive group ride. We could we'll stop somewhere, chill out a little bit. That'd be awesome. That is my plans if I ever do get big. So still subscribe. I ain't going anywhere. I'm still gonna be here for a long ass time, and there's nothing you can do about it unless my camera breaks. There's not much I can do about that, so I hope it doesn't. Oh, my bike. I'll just do videos of me running around. My videos have been recently, they've been getting a decent amount of views, and I think my most popular video, it's except from shorts, has like 1.3 thousand views, which is absolutely insane. That's 1,000. Do you realize how many people that is that watch your video? That's put 1,000 people here. Do you know how crowded this would be? Like this area, jeez, it is insane. So I do appreciate that. Even the people that like this channel, that like these thingies. Uh-oh, I have to stop here. My brake not work. Oh, thank God. But even the people that just subscribe, which is still 164 people. Do you know how many people that is? If you were to get followed by 160 people, do you know how many people that is? That's an insane amount of people. Just imagine that going on. Just you turn around, there's 160 bikes behind you. Oh, wouldn't that be fantastic? Oh, hey, the future's bright. Hopefully, the future's bright. Gotta stay positive. I'm sorry if I'm doing it pointlessly cleaning the camera. It's just I don't know if it's very thingy or not, because it is I don't know if you noticed, but it's raining a little bit. Could I have a green light, please? I don't want to stand here for too long. Thank you very much. Yeah, I just don't know if you guys noticed, but there's a little bit of rain. That's silly. I shouldn't be doing that. That's very silly. I'm retarded. No. Padu. Ooga booga. My hands are cold. My brake's not working. My knees are cold. I'm doing the same exact thing tomorrow. Padu. Oh, sorry, people. Sorry. I didn't mean to get you. I'm trying to get out, but I can't. I'm trying to get out, but put me back in, man. I don't want to do it, coach. I don't want to do it. I quit, coach. I quit. Sorry, I'm a smoker of 27,000 years. Oh. I'm getting an omelette when I get home. What are you having for dinner? What have you had for dinner? Anyone that likes me remotely or a little bit, or oh, hi doggo, cute doggo, I like it. Anyone that has any comments, anything, or whatever. What have you had for dinner? Are you turning? Are you not turning? You're not turning, so I'm going. What have you had for dinner? What have you had? You got beans on toast? No, but it is pretty good, beans on toast. I am very, very unhappy. I can't see. Oh, do you know what I love? I love roast dinner. I'm not from Britain. I haven't told you that, guys, yet. but I'm not British. I'm not American. I got a little twang, as I've been said, but I'm not going to tell you guys where I'm from. You guys are just going to have to find out one day. But before I came to England illegally, don't worry. I'm not a dinghy. I didn't come here on a boat like everyone says. I never had roast dinner. Obviously, why would I? It's an English thing. But oh my god, it's so good. Oh, it's so good. My girlfriend's father makes the most delicious roast dinner I've ever even seen in my life. I love it. I love roast dinner, and if I could, I'd have it every night. I'm not even gonna lie to yours. I'd have it every night if I could. I do love me a bit of roast dinner. Oh, cute little doggo. But yes, indeed, I do love me a bit of roast dinner. So don't be surprised if you ever catch me eating roast dinner. Oh, that was very bad in the rain. I should not have swerved like that. I'm okay. I'm okay. But it's danger, man. It's danger. It's danger. Just like me. I'm danger. Yeah, I'm danger. I am almost home, peeps. I'm very happy about that because I'm wet. Right. I'm probably gonna end this video here. So thank you very much for watching. You probably won't be able to see anything, and I hope you enjoyed. Let me know what you had for dinner. Let me know your opinions on the Duke, and subscribe, like, comment how much you like steak and what type of steak you like, and I'll see if you're a creature or not. Thank you very much. I shall see you later. Bye bye.